guys, we started off from Dehradun yesterday morning, and we were supposed to reach Sankri, and from there we were supposed to take the direct to Jodaka Dalab. But unfortunately, yesterday there was heavy snowfall. In fact, it started midnight yesterday, so snowfall as high as knee length in Juda, and you can only imagine how it would be in further up in KK base camp and the summit points. So the crunch point was that all the crowd which was there in Kedarkand base camp, they rushed down to Sankri, and the people who were in Judaka Talab, they also rushed down to Sankri, and Sankri is now heavily flooded with a lot of crowd. So like we had to immediately book something which is not in Sankri, and thankfully we got this cottage which is just 3 kilometers from Sankri, or like one would say before Sankri rather. So yeah, let's see how it goes. You can see the snowfall also. So it's a heavy snowfall, and you can see it is a fresh snowfall. But thankfully the skies are now open, and hopefully we'll start for Judaka Talab in few hours from here. There is a lot of snowfall here. It is fresh snow. It's really damp. People are getting slipped off. It's really tough here. Just have a look, guys. I think it's quite less slippery from here. Till last point, it was very slippery. Like we could hardly ascend over there. Now it seems quite well. Beautiful landscapes. I think this is called as snow velvet. Amazing views. Guys, sun is on, and I'm feeling pretty sweaty. Thankfully, I didn't wear a lot of layering of gears, because people there, they are taking off their jackets and whatnot. So little bit of layering is good enough for this trek. Again, only until Juda. Beyond that, whatever you wear, as many layers you do, that would be too less. So thing is, guys, no matter how much you ascend, you won't feel thirsty here like you do in other places in India, because it's really cold. So you got to give the body a signal that you have to drink water. Ensure that you are drinking a lot of water, because that will keep you dehydrated. I mean, save from being dehydrated. That's damn cold. Almost halfway mark to Judaka Talab. Halfway mark to Judaka Talab. As they ascend more, the snow is increasing over here. A lot of snow here. Damn! And it got better of me. Another kilometer or so. I'm already exhausted. Let's see how it goes. Half an hour more and we will be at the Judaka Talab base camp. It's freezing cold here.
है तुझ में हौसला तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे कर डाल तू जो फैसला
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह
कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह
It has become more steep but quite comfortable to walk because snow is fresh here. Earlier it was quite slippery. Just could not walk there. Finally we reached at Judaka Talab and we will be camping here.
में तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून
Morning.
ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती बीच में तेरा जुनून सात आसमां चीरे अब सात समंदर पीरे चल सात सुरों में कर दे ये ऐलान हिम्मत है तो रोको और जुर्रत है तो बांधो रे आज हथेली है रख दी